Alright, so Guido's getting older now. He's actually 11. He turns 12 in December. And he can't run as fast as he used to, obviously. And because he's part Dachshund, he actually has arthritis. And it hasn't clicked on him yet. So he'll be trying to walk like half a mile, and then I have to carry him back home. Welcome to the Thunderdome. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I encourage you to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and please give this video a thumbs up so other people can see how dope the video is. Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips for making beats as far as producers are if you're just getting started. Why? Because, you know, I haven't come a long way, but I can guarantee that in the last 7 months that I've been taking this music production thing seriously, that I have steadily seen improvement. The reason why is because I wake up every single morning just happy to learn something that I can apply. It's gonna help me make better music. So, right now, I'm working on a beat with Cymatics released a pack yesterday, and it's called Fantasy, a couple of synths, and I found the loop on there, and the loop sounds like this. So you guys should check it out. You go to cymatics.fm. I'll put a link in the description. And it's free, and it's a sample pack, and it's a teaser, so there's actually more to come, but this is what it sounds like. Okay, so I grabbed some shit, and then this is what I did as far as I went ahead and created my own loop, and this is what it sounds like. So that's what I have, and we are going to use that to work on a beat. But that being said, the first tip I have for you is to learn your DAW. I don't care if you're using FL Studio, I don't care if you're using Pro Tools, I don't care if you're using Ableton, I don't care if you're using Logic Pro. Whatever it is that you're using, just make sure you get in touch with it, you get to know it 100%. Me right now, I'm probably at like 61% as far as Ableton goes. But like I said earlier in the video, where I was 7 months ago, I was like, I don't know what I'm doing. So if you're just opening up a DAW for the first time and you're like, oh my god, there's just so overwhelming, there's so much to do, there's so many buttons to press, there's like so many features, just, it's cool. Ableton, we all felt the same way, I felt the same way. I was like, how am I supposed to figure all this shit out? I don't have time for this, you know what I'm saying? But the cool thing is you can watch videos online. So just jump on YouTube after you finish watching this video and check out some videos. You can literally search it up on YouTube, like how to create hi-hats on Ableton. You can do like how to make 808s on Logic. Like there's gonna be a video out there most likely for what you're looking for. And if there isn't, then it's up to you to figure it out and share it with others. There are things that I have learned that I am teaching to others, and there are things that I've yet to learn that I have to reach out and learn. So that's my first tip. So yesterday I'm driving home and I'm just like, let's listen to the beat. Let's see what it sounds like. So I pressed play on the beat and I couldn't hear the beat at all. I was like, oh, okay, this sounds a lot different, you know? And one of the beats had some really hard hitting 808s and I put them on my headphones. I'm like, ooh, this sounds good. And then I went to go listen to it in the car. I heard no 808s. The beat was so low, I had to turn the volume all the way up and I could not hear it. So, like, my second tip for you is to listen to the beat in different atmospheres. Have a friend listen to it in someone's laptop, listen to it on your TV, listen to it on your computer, listen to it on with headphones on, put it in your car, turn on a sound bar, turn on some speakers, tell Alexa to play your song, whatever it takes. But you will notice a difference, and that's probably going to help you with mixing, because I learned my lesson. So, yeah, that's actually what inspired today's video. So, thanks, Past a D. I'm happy with how the loop came out. I don't know what it is about loops. Sometimes they're just so difficult for me, but whatever. So we have our preset drums. Let's record some drums. I feel like that's always my go-to, but it's just like, how else are you supposed to vibe, son? You know what I'm saying? Run it back. It's a party in the USA. Alright, here we go. We're running on 89 BPM, by the way, because I was born in 89. I was just like, let's see what happens. Alright, so this is what it sounds like with the drums. Okay, so I can hear that it's missing another kick in there. So, tip number 3 for producers that are just getting started and is going to help you get better is to ask for feedback. I understand how annoying it is sometimes when people tell you that your shit's trash. I know it hurts your feelings, but the thing is, you can get better if you honestly think that everything you make is fucking fire and nobody listens to it. How are you supposed to know? Like, you can share with your family and they're going to be like, oh, it's nice, but they're just being supportive. And you're gonna be biased because it's what you make, and you made it with so much passion, you put so much effort into it that when you play it back, you're gonna be like, this actually sounds pretty good. But all it takes is one person here and be like, hey, you know what? You could do this to the hi-hats. Hey, you know what? You can turn down the melody. You know, the other day I posted a video on Instagram and I shared a beat that I was working on. Someone was like, it sounds awesome. I fucking want to hear you complete the song, but please lower the claps. The claps are so loud. And, you know, I could have taken that and been like, yo, fuck you, like, why are you being so rude to me? But I actually appreciated the kind words. I appreciated the feedback, the criticism, because it actually helped me go back and actually make the beat sound better altogether. So always take some feedback. Always ask for feedback. You guys have noticed I do it in all my videos when I make a beat. I ask you guys what you think of the video. Let me know in the comment section. I don't care if it's trash. I just want to know so I can get better. You know what I'm saying? And that's how you're going to get better as a producer. Ask people for feedback. They're going to let you know, hey, this doesn't sound right. This doesn't make sense. This sounds good. This sounds bad. And that's how you're going to get better. So, yeah, you're welcome. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. All right. Okay, so tip number 4. And this one goes to everybody. Whether you've been making beats for a week, you've been making beats for a year, making beats for a decade. My tip number 4 for all producers out there is finish your beat. And I know it can be a little hard sometimes, but yeah, do your best to finish a beat as quickly as possible. So if you start a beat today, try to finish it today, and if you don't, try to finish it tomorrow, because I can guarantee what's gonna happen is that a week from now you're gonna listen to that beat, you're gonna be like, it's shit's whack. Which kind of coincides. This tip is actually a 2-for-1, and the reason why is because don't feel obligated to finish all your beats, because there are some beats that I've made and then I go back and listen to it. I'm just like, for the life of me, I don't know how to fix this because it sounds like trash, you know? And if you sit there and you try to fix a beat for the rest of your life, then you're just going to be obsessed with that one beat and trying to make it perfect, and we all know that perfection doesn't exist. So do your best to finish your beats as quickly, as soon as possible, as efficiently as possible, so obviously you can get them out there so people can hear them. But if you don't be too hard on yourself. You know, don't come back and you're like, I'm not going to sleep until I finish this beat. And then it's just like 3 days later and you're not done with that beat. And you hate yourself because you're not done with the beat. And you hate the beat because the beat doesn't sound good. And you can't figure out why. Like, it's kind of contradicting itself. But, like, seriously, do your best to finish your beat. If you start a beat today and it's like you're feeling it, you go back and you work on it. Tomorrow, okay, go back and work on it. But if a week from now you go back and listen to the beat and you're just not feeling it, don't feel obligated to finish the beat. It's okay to move on. And last but not least, my 5th tip for producers that are just getting started: please take the pressure off of yourself to make music for others. If you're doing this, it's because it's something that you actually enjoy. It makes you feel good and you want to share it with other people. You know what I'm saying? So I know for me sometimes, like, I'm kind of like second guessing myself because the type of music that I like to make isn't what's playing right now. Is anyone actually going to listen to my beats? Is anyone actually going to buy my beats if it doesn't sound like what everybody else is listening to? Because right now what's hot, hard kicking 808s for trap music and, you know, some hi-hats. Like, sometimes I'll think about it, I'm just like, should I just make trap beats? But the thing is, trap beats aren't my calling. It just comes down to making music that feels good to you. You know, if you're feeling like shit and you're making, like, you know, some sad piano, then that's the music that you're gonna make because that's what you want to make. You know, don't feel pressured to make music for people that are demanding music for you. Make music that feels good to you, because what's gonna happen is you're gonna attract the right people. They're gonna be like, okay, well, I'm really feeling your shit, so I want to listen to your shit because it sounds like something that I want to create, or something that I'm like, something I can vibe with. You know what I'm saying? So I really hope you appreciated today's video. Very, very, very short. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you in the next video. And like always, do not sleep on me, baby, baby. Here's a bonus tip. Ding a ding a ding a ding. So, if you have a MIDI keyboard, what I highly suggest is grabbing some masking tape and just writing down the notes if you are not completely savvy with music theory like I am, so that way you're not constantly looking for the notes. And this has been a huge help for me, so I highly recommend it. So yeah, you're welcome.